Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be whispering in this video because it is currently 9:10, so I don't want to be too loud. But today I'll be doing a Christmas inspired look, something you can wear for the holidays, for Christmas. It's gonna be like an olive green, a dark green, cut crease, and I hope you guys like it. I did already do this look. You can see it's like green, dark green. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and face off camera. If you guys want to know how I do my foundation, more so my highlighting and contouring and powders and stuff, go over to my Instagram. I have an IGTV. That is a quick little video summary of what I do to my face. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. And we'll be using the dark olive green, this like forest green. We'll be using this shade and this brown. And then you guys are probably wondering, how did you get that brightened effect in the inner portion of the cut crease? And that is another palette we'll be using, just like a 3-color palette from Wet n Wild. So when we get to that step, I'll show you guys. So we're gonna go in with the dark olive green color, and we're going to put that in our outer V and into our crease. So once you've packed the dark green, you're just gonna flip the brush and just blend it out. You're gonna keep building it. Then you're gonna flip and you're gonna start buffing it out to build that green. So I'm using the BH Cosmetics 103 brush, and oh Jesus, and I'll be going into this shade right here. So I'm just gonna put it right here in this area. Buff it in slightly. So again, you place it with the packing brush, and then you go in with the blending brush and just blend it out. And when you're using a dark color, you want to go slow. Don't blend too hard. Lightly brush. And if you're a heavy blender, just hold the brush by the end and just, if you do circular motions or windshield wiper motions, you can do that. It doesn't look like there's brown, it just looks like it got the green got deeper. That beautiful green shimmer, I'm going to pack it on this brush and spray it with some mist and then apply it to my eye. Don't worry, It's gonna look funky at first, but I got y'all. I swear I got y'all. Then what we're going to do is take the Sweet as Candy palette by Wet n Wild. We're going to take the Brow Bone shade and place that in the innermost portion of the cut crease using the opposite side. Really pack it on there so that you get that nice brightening effect. Let me know if you're liking this look. And I want you guys to see this right here. You can see where we stopped with the concealer, and to me that's quite a bit annoying. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go back to that brown shade with the packing brush and ever so slightly try to merge those colors in. You can do the brown, you can do the green. I just picked up some green right now. Right, so you see this eye, and you see that eye, this eye, that eye. I use a Satin Matte Milani in shade number 11, which is Elegant, and then I used Third Eye from ColourPop. In the center, nice little ombre, very Christmassy. You see the dark green with the red, the really nice cranberry red. And I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. I think I barely made it to this shade because when sometimes it looks like it's an overcast, it looks golden, and sometimes you can see where I placed it when I look away. It's not that bad, but I love this highlighter. Excuse my chair. I didn't put mascara because I am gonna take this off. So the nose right here above the eyebrows, just to look very shiny, right? And then to finish off the look, I'm going to grab some more, put it in the inner corner, and on the brow bone. So yeah, it's like 10:30 and yeah, I do look very tan compared to my chest, but that could be the lights. Let me switch. So this is like the LED setting, the regular, yeah, and then this is like daylight, which is the setting that I left to do my makeup in. And then I'm guessing this is like golden hour or something. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I've been looking at the monitor and at you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put mascara on your lower lashes. But also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. If you want, ring the bell. What else? Follow my Instagram. I will be doing more full body pictures for my curvier girls. I'm doing this to boost my self-esteem up, to do more poses that I wouldn't usually do. So yeah guys, this is the final look, inspired by my look and Christmas, and maybe like, ooh, maybe like a mistletoe, because you got the little red and then you got the green. And yeah, bye.